Worried about where your money goes when you send it? Taptap Send keeps you informed every step of the way. This guide shows you how to track your money transfers in real time. Open the Taptap Send app. On the home screen, you'll see your recent transfers. This includes the recipient, amount, date, and current status. Tap on the transfer you want to track. The transfer details page displays the status. See if it's processing, sent, delivered, or if there are any issues. A progress bar visually tracks your transfer's journey. The status automatically updates as the transfer progresses from processing to send and finally delivered. Upon successful arrival, updates are nearly instant. You'll also receive helpful push notifications on your phone, alerting you of each status change and offering support. Look out for notifications like funds received. With these steps, monitor your Taptap Send transfers in real time. Track with confidence. You're now equipped to send and track your money with ease. #track transfer #transaction status.